Hello, friends. Welcome to my podcast. Today we talk about fast food culture. Many people eat fast food every week. Fast food is cheap and easy. Some people love burgers and fries. Other people prefer pizza or tacos. I sometimes buy fast food after work. My brother eats fried chicken every Friday. In my city, there are many fast food restaurants. Teenagers often meet there after school. Families also visit these places together. Fast food restaurants are usually busy. The workers cook very quickly. Customers wait only a few minutes. Many restaurants open early in the morning. People buy coffee and sandwiches before work. Some students eat pancakes for breakfast. Drivers often use the drive-through service. They stay inside the car. The service is very fast and simple. Many people like this convenience. Fast food companies use colorful signs. They want people to feel hungry. Advertisements are everywhere on television. Children often remember funny mascots. Some meals include toys for kids. This idea is popular with families. Fast food culture is part of daily life. People see it in many countries. Our story starts in a small burger shop. Emily works in an office downtown. She has only 30 minutes for lunch. Her coworkers love fast food meals. Every Tuesday, they visit a burger restaurant. Emily usually orders a chicken sandwich. Her friend Kate likes spicy fries. Tom always drinks a large soda. The restaurant is full during lunchtime. Workers stand in long lines. Some people check their phones while waiting. Others talk with friends and laugh loudly. The smell of fresh fries fills the air. Music plays softly in the background. Emily enjoys the friendly atmosphere. The cashier smiles at every customer. Many people choose combo meals. Combo meals are cheaper than separate items. Fast food saves time for busy workers. People eat quickly and return to work. Some customers take food home. Delivery services are also very popular. A driver brings meals to offices and apartments. Many apps make ordering very easy. Customers press a few buttons on the phone. 20 minutes later, the food arrives. This system is convenient for many people. Emily thinks fast food tastes good sometimes. She understands why people enjoy it. Still, she wants healthier meals more often. Her ideas change after an interesting conversation. One afternoon, Emily meets her cousin Anna. Anna studies nutrition at university. She asks Emily about her eating habits. Emily talks about burgers and fries. Anna listens carefully and smiles kindly. She says fast food is okay sometimes. Too much fast food can cause problems. Many meals contain a lot of salt. Some drinks have too much sugar. Fried foods often contain extra fat. People need vegetables and fruit every day. Water is healthier than sweet soda. Anna cooks simple meals at home. She makes chicken with rice and salad. Emily thinks the food sounds delicious. Anna also enjoys homemade soup. Cooking at home can save money. Families can eat together at the table. Healthy habits are important for children. Exercise is also necessary for good health. Anna walks in the park every evening. Emily decides to change small things first. She wants fewer sugary drinks. She plans to eat more fresh vegetables. Anna supports her cousin with good advice. They visit a supermarket after their conversation. Emily buys apples, tomatoes, and yogurt. She feels proud of her choices. Her lifestyle slowly becomes more balanced. Still, fast food remains popular around her. Fast food exists in many different countries. Every culture has special popular snacks. In Italy, many tourists eat pizza slices. In Japan, people enjoy quick noodle dishes. Mexican tacos are famous around the world. In Turkey, kebabs are very popular. American burgers are easy to find everywhere. Some restaurants mix local food with fast food. This creates interesting new meals for customers. Travelers often try street food during vacations. Street food is usually cheap and tasty. Vendors cook meals in small outdoor kitchens. The streets smell wonderful in the evening. Crowds gather near busy food stands. Friends eat together and share stories. Fast food can bring people together. Teenagers often meet after school for snacks. Coworkers relax together during lunch breaks. Families enjoy easy dinners after long days. Food is also part of social life. Restaurants use social media for advertisements. Bright photos make meals look delicious. Many young people follow food bloggers online. Some bloggers review restaurants and menus. Customers trust these opinions before visiting places. Fast food culture changes with technology. Online ordering grows every year. Digital menus are common in restaurants. The industry continues to grow worldwide. Emily learns many interesting facts about food culture. Saturday evening is very busy downtown. Emily goes out with her best friend Lisa. They feel hungry after shopping all day. The streets are crowded with people. Bright restaurant signs shine everywhere. Music comes from open cafe doors. Lisa wants a cheeseburger and fries. Emily chooses a grilled chicken wrap. They also order fruit smoothies. The restaurant has modern furniture and big windows. Young workers move quickly behind the counter. Customers speak many different languages inside. A family celebrates a birthday near the window. Small children laugh and play happily. Two students study while eating pizza. Delivery drivers enter and leave constantly. The kitchen stays active all evening. Emily notices healthier menu options this time. Some meals include fresh vegetables and salads. Restaurants try to satisfy different customers. Vegetarian meals become more common every year. Some people avoid meat for health reasons. Others care about animals or nature. Lisa talks about food prices in the city. Fast food is cheaper than many restaurants. This is important for students and workers. Emily enjoys her wrap very much. She feels comfortable with her healthier choice. The evening becomes fun and relaxing. Their conversation continues during the walk home. Emily thinks carefully about modern eating habits. Fast food is everywhere in daily life. People enjoy it for many different reasons. It is quick, cheap, and convenient. Busy workers often need simple meals. Students like affordable food after classes. Families sometimes prefer easy dinners. Fast food restaurants create social spaces. Friends meet there and spend time together. Technology also changes the food industry. Mobile apps make ordering very simple. Delivery services help busy customers every day. Healthy eating is still very important. People should choose balanced meals regularly. Fresh vegetables give the body energy. Water is better than sugary drinks. Exercise helps people stay strong and active. Small healthy habits can improve daily life. Emily still enjoys fast food sometimes. She simply makes smarter choices today. She eats smaller portions than before. She also cooks more meals at home. Her family supports her new lifestyle. Balance is the key for many people. Fast food culture will continue to change. Restaurants will create new ideas and menus. Customers will look for healthier options. Food connects people across the world. Thank you for listening to my podcast. See you in the next episode.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.